It's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and driver muses, we doubt they're given to popping celebratory champagne corks very often at Jeep headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, but now just might be a good time. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.